Hello guys, today I'm making a beer batter, like fish and chips batter at the home. So I have here 2 cup of flour and here 2.5 cup of cornstarch. So I have here 1 liter of beer, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of white pepper. First we can mix it all together. So now we can add the beer, 1 liter. So whisk it very nicely. So it's very nice, smooth, and you can make a so crispy, nice fish on the fish and chips. So it's great batter, guys. You can try it at home. It's very nice and easy to make it. So now I have a transfer into the fridge, so we can keep it 24 hours. Keep it in the fridge so it get a cold and nice and do not get a bad. Thank you so much. It is ready for 350 degrees centigrade. So I have a nice fish here. Remember guys, we need to coat it with the flour. Just get the fish, put it in the flour, and then just coat it first. So now you can dip in the batter, then put in the oil very slowly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can drop it now. You can deep fry until golden brown. So look at that guys, around 4 to 5 minutes fried, so nice and golden brown and crispy. So I have a fries is working here. Guys, we can serve with this fish and chips is so popular in Canada and all over the US, and this is very easy to make it, guys. This we can serve with the 1 pieces of lemon wedge and tartar sauce, bed with the French fries and nice crispy pig. Look at that, this fish is so good and crispy, crunchy. Look at that, it's so nice. It's easy to make, it's soft. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching, guys. If you liked my videos, please give a comments down and subscribe me please. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.